Hello, hello. How are you doing today? Here we go again on our day 4 for Christmas unboxing, I should say. So today we do have 2 packages from Amazon, and then we'll see what's inside this package. If you're interested in this one, 12 days of Christmas giving, stay tuned for the ones that we have for each other and for Sophia. And then let's no further ado, let's do this unboxing. 2 days ago we unboxed the AirPod that we have, and this one, we do have the he bought me a screen protector, and then so this one is screen protector, make your iPad feel like paper. So yeah, from screen KCT 11 inches. So there you go, there's that. And then there's a lot of things on here. And then this one is protective table case that we have, that he bought me. It is a protective tablet case from ESR, and then we'll show you how it looks like with the with our tablet. And then the last one, he bought me a stylus too. It is an active stylus pen with palm rejection. So this is the one. So yeah, so it's all for the iPad. So that's what we have today. And then so for this box, and then for this box, I don't know what it is this one for, but we'll see. This one is not from Amazon, I think. This one is for another unboxing that we were going to have. So thank you very much for watching. This is what we got for this unboxing that we have right now. It's all for the iPads that we have, and then we'll show you how it looks like. And stay tuned for more. Thank you very much. This is Carlo from Carlo and Seb channel. We'll see you again in the next video. Happy holidays. I hope that you have a wonderful time and enjoying things with the family. We'll see you again tomorrow. We'll love you all. We'll see you again. Bye.